we've probably got about 5 years before things get really weird. And so I'm focused on this period more than anything about what it means for us. What do we need to do to navigate this whilst trying to also monitor these gigantic trends that are happening all at the same time?
Bitcoin Zella stands out with its simplicity and clarity. We've crafted an experience that anyone can dive into, whether you're a crypto expert or just a new to the crypto world. Now guess who keeps his eye on us? The author of best-selling book Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. And we want to take this opportunity and thank all the people who trusted us, and we read every comment. And the best part, it's free. Subscribing now means you will get all new information for free. Don't just follow the trends, stay ahead of them. Subscribe to Bitcoin Zella today and enjoy the new edge. Raoul urgently underscores allocating to exponential assets like crypto and AI while managing risk, as traditional strategies lose appeal. Let's watch to learn more.
We're investors. We're educators. Our knowledge, I don't know, in 5 years' time, what are financial markets when you've got a super brain operating within them, investing? What is a business when I can look at your great 42 macro platform, or you can look at my Real Vision platform, and we can just say to our AI, hey, just copy this. And also, do you mind doing it in Hindi? Because I think it's a big market in India, and it's seconds. So what is a business? What is a moat? The moat, yes, is you and I as humans. But all of these other things, we don't know what this means. Capital formation, we're seeing it in meme coins, right? Trump, and again, forget who and how, that was $75 billion of capital formation in half a day.
Yeah.
Right. It's showing us how when you get the crowd to form capital behind an idea that they like, they can form monstrous amounts of capital.
Oh, yeah.
So we've got instant capital formation. We've got almost instantaneous birth, death, destruction cycle of businesses. We're seeing infinite human knowledge at zero cost, competing with us and each other. We've got the infinite robots, and that's all within 5 years. The economic system is not going to be something that we really truly understand. That doesn't mean it can't be good or anything else. What it means is, you and me as individuals, I think, and everybody watching this, I would say, listen, how do you navigate the most unprecedented change humanity will ever go through? Simply is be as safe and secure as you can be. And so I think 5 years, this 5 years is the time to ultra focus on getting as many lifestyle chips. And that, money accesses your lifestyle chips, but lifestyle chips means a roof over your head. It means the ability to make decisions and have some economic freedoms. So you can observe the creative destruction of the exponential age without feeling threatened by it. So it's a very serious message. It also plays into the other message that I use a lot, which is how to unfuck your future. Because if you go to the average 30-year-old, they can't afford a house. They're starting to think about having kids, or the millennials at 35 are having kids. They don't know how they're going to afford that. Asset prices, because of debasement, keep going up in value versus income. And so they don't have the same abilities as I did, or more extreme, my parents did, or your parents did. So they're looking at this thinking, am I going to be able to participate in an economy like this and have Maslow's hierarchy of needs met? Am I going to have a roof over my head? And so unfucking your future is taking advantage of what are two massive secular trends playing out in front of us and saying, these will get me there because they actually go up in value faster than the debasement. Is playing into the two biggest trends we've ever had, which is the trend of technology and another technology, which is cryptocurrency, blockchain. Right? Blockchain currently is the fastest adoption of any technology the world's ever seen, and it's been the best performing asset class in all recorded history. It's still, but that's like 100% plus returns, just Bitcoin alone. That's la la land for regular investors. Yes, it comes with volatility. So that's how to unfuck your future plays into this economic singularity moment, this 5-year period that I talk so much about. In fact, there is a whole video on my YouTube channel about this. So anybody who's interested, go to Raoul the Journeyman, and you'll see, I think it's the pinned video, or the most popular videos, all this, and it's really important.
Over the past 10 hours, anonymous crypto whales have transferred a staggering $1,260,727,232 worth of Bitcoin, catching the entire crypto community by surprise. The largest single transaction involved 7,300 BTC, valued at more than $700 million. 3 additional transfers, moving 2,834 BTC, 1,346 BTC, and 1,407 BTC respectively, contributed to this jaw-dropping billion-dollar sum. All these movements occurred between unknown wallets, leaving onlookers curious about their purpose and destination. Shortly before these transfers, Bitcoin managed to breach the $98,000 mark, though it quickly slipped back below that threshold. Some observers suggest these whale-sized deals might be over-the-counter purchases, explaining why they did not immediately sway Bitcoin's market price. Still, investors remain attentive, wondering if these moves could foretell a future uptick. Another event fueling speculation revolves around a dormant whale that recently shifted 14,000 BTC valued at approximately $1.37 billion. Analysts confirm that these funds went to another wallet rather than any exchange, implying that the transfer may not be geared for immediate liquidation. This shift harks back to Bitcoin's early days, when it was far cheaper and easier to mine. Whale movements often spark headlines, highlighting the power and influence of early adopters and major investors. Such large transactions can spur questions about potential price swings and inspire fresh optimism or caution among traders. While Bitcoin's sudden volatility captures attention, experts emphasize the importance of conducting thorough research and seeking guidance before making any investment decisions in this ever-evolving digital asset space. Traders stay watchful for the next move.
If you've got a business problem, if you're trying to think through a marketing campaign, you're trying to learn about, your dad's got some medical issue and you're trying to figure it out, it will talk to you in real time and give you the transcript. And so we've actually built a Raoul bot. In fact, I've got 2 AIs on Real Vision now. One is a video avatar of me reading out news every morning that AI has generated. So it's not me, it's my avatar. And then we've created a Raoul bot, which is a voice bot where you talk to me in my voice. It's trained on all of my Twitter feed for the last 11 years, every YouTube video I've ever been on. And then I've given it 100 books, from books that matter to me, like wine books and travel books, through to economics textbooks and, Hunter S. Thompson, Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas, things that matter. So it is a version of me, and people on the Real Vision platform, paid members, can now talk to me. And soon, the video version, the voice version will merge, and you'll be speaking to a video version of me.
Am I talking to the AI?
This is still me. This is still me, but it won't be. Come back to me in 2 years' time. It will unlikely be me, and it'll unlikely be you.
Bitcoin's hash ribbon indicator suggests miners are now facing a fresh capitulation phase, potentially signaling a local price bottom under $100,000. The hash ribbon measures when the 30-day moving average of hash rate slips beneath its 60-day counterpart, indicating that mining has become less profitable. Historically, such moments often paved the way for significant market rallies, once conditions stabilize. Mid-October 2024 marked the previous miner capitulation, just before Bitcoin charged beyond its earlier record of $73,800 and soared to $108,000 within 2 months. While some believe this new capitulation could spur similar long-term gains, others remain cautious. Analysts note that the hash ribbon missed only once, during the Black Swan event of COVID-19, but it has otherwise served as a reliable sign of upward momentum. Recent data shows that major mining operations have been adding Bitcoin to their reserves, bolstering the notion that these moves might precede another price rally. However, the founder of Raoul Investments, Charles Edwards, points out that the capitulation phase appears only to have begun. A definitive buy signal may not flash until the hash ribbon recovers, and traders should remember that numerous factors can influence Bitcoin's trajectory. While the stage is set for a potentially bullish turn, patience remains crucial. If you've been with us so far, a big thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for free to Bitcoin Zella for your daily news. The link is waiting below. That's all for today's crypto news. Stick around for more updates, insights, and analysis on cryptocurrencies. Share your thoughts in the comments, like this video, and subscribe for more exciting content.